So you definitely want to take a few moments and make sure that the mobile view of the app is correct. So like you can see here, when you have the regular view, all well and good, right? But the mobile views, is it good? So you got to click this little button right here. Oh, so that's not right. And so then you'd select the app. There you go. Now got the app selected. And you just come over here and just mush it back over so that it aligns with everything. I want to give it maximum space. For this will only affect the mobile version, which is pretty cool. Okay. See if I can get that over. There she goes. Okay. Yeah, and that's basically all you have to do. Neat, huh? And then I'm just going to say publish and done. Okay, so that's how you do it.